Welcome. Today we are continuing with Geography Paper 2, Section B, 75 marks. So here we have county and number of livestock. We have the counties Turkana, Wajir, Garissa, Kajiado, Narok, Marsabit, Laikipia. Answer question 6 and any other 2 questions from this section. Question 6. The table below shows total number of livestock in selected counties in Kenya in 2019. Use it to answer A. 1. Using a scale of 1 centimeter to represent 1,000 livestock. Draw a simple bar graph to represent the data in the table above. This is how you're supposed to draw it. Question 6A2. Apart from simple bar graph, name 3 statistical methods that can be used to represent the data in the table. Simple pie chart, divided rectangle, compound bar graph, dot maps, proportional circles. Question 6B1. Name 3 exotic breeds of commercial beef cattle reared in Kenya. Aberdeen Haggis, Chalus, Shorthorn, Sandagedrus, Hereford, Red Haggis, Galloway. Question 6B2. Name 2 traditional breeds of cattle kept by nomadic pastoralism in Kenya. Zebu, Boran, Sahiwal. Question 6C. Explain 3 physical factors that favor beef farming in Argentina. 6 marks. Well-distributed rainfall throughout the year, or you can say high rainfall, that is 1,000 millimeters, ideal for the growth of pasture and the supply of water for the cattle. The subtropical temperatures ranging between 10 degrees to 24 degrees Celsius, which are ideal for the growth of grass throughout the year. The area is flat and low, altitude of 30 to 250 above sea level, which provides good natural grazing landscape. Fertile soils washed from the foothills of Andes by rain are fertile, ideal for natural pastures. Also, the Pampas enjoys the advantage of receiving onshore moist. Question 6D. State 2 problems experienced by beef farmers in Argentina. Diseases, for example, foot and mouth diseases. Competition from other leading beef products. Droughts caused by La Nina. And then pests. Question 7A. Define the term mining. It refers to the process of extracting valuable minerals, either solid, liquid or gas, on or below the Earth's surface. Question 7.